So today we started out, and coming down to Burleigh Heads wasn't our intention to begin with. We actually went and had a barbecue brekkie this morning, and then Al had a little bit of a headache. So then he had a little nap after breakfast, and we were going to go to the Q1 in Sky Point and have a look up there for today. But by the time we organised ourselves, we thought, okay, well, where else can we go? And realised the Burleigh Heads Festival was on, so we headed down here for the afternoon, which I don't regret at all. Lovely.
A lot of people down here, beautiful day. You can probably hear the music in the background, getting organised to play another session.
Yeah.
A lot of people sitting up there on the hill.
Yeah, I think we'll go up and
outlets.
join them shortly, I think, and maybe have a beer or two while we're up there.
Yeah, we're just going to do water. Still got a headache.
Yeah, that's it. So, I don't know, whatever you decide is good.
Yeah. Parking was a bit difficult, but I do believe it's worth it. So
Yeah.
It was worth coming down here, I think.
Yeah, for sure.
That's what yeah, you said that.
So what do you think so far today, Al?
Yeah, I'm having a great day.
Great day.
Look at the view we have for dinner. Have a look.
what Joey Hughes. That's what I. Yeah, you said that.
So what do you think so far today, Al?
Yeah, I'm having a great day. Great day.
A great day?
Look at the view we have for dinner.
Let's have a look.
Have a look.